One-owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com, and I got a video here today about wet polishing. Now I know you've heard of wet sanding. Have you ever heard of wet polishing? I don't know. I have, and I probably made it up, but it's what I do to get something the way I want it. Let me show you. If you've ever washed something and had these streaks, you see that? And you can't even rub them out or nothing. I'll show you from a different angle here. And then when it dries out, it gets streaky like that. And you know it should look better. You just know it should. And it's stuck like this. Well, I even got the same thing on the cab, where you can get it partially clean, and you get stuck with that all the way down it. Look at that. It looks awful. Well, I'm gonna wash this door out. Actually, did I already do it? I did not. So I'm gonna wash this door out while that dries, and then I'll show you what I'm talking about. I'll show you again, just wetting it up here. This stays dry, and this just gets brown and streaky. And when you wash it, watch this. I'm gonna give it a lot, man. I'm really pushing into this stuff. And I know my camera is probably shaky and everything else, but I'm here to tell you, I'm putting some power into this. Now, if you did the whole truck like this, you'd give out. Man, I can get it off. I can. But buddy, I'm putting every bit of power that I can into it. So what I'm gonna do is just get a pretty good wash on it. God, serious, it just does not come off. Now I did that under the window. Look at the bottom here. And then we're gonna call that good. And you're gonna see immediately what the problem is. That's the problem. Tiger stripes. Bengal cat car. Bengal cat van box. I don't know. But I don't like it. I like that. So let me show you how it's done. You're gonna get you a soaking wet rag. Soap and water. And you're gonna take that and you're gonna wanna not wad it up, but fold it up. Just like that. Get you a nice medium grit polish. Like you would polish your car with. That's it, just something you would polish your car with. And I got a bit on there. And watch this. I'm gonna kind of put a little bit here to be for later, and then get down here. And I'm telling you what, buddy, you don't even have to put hardly much into it. And this will just scrub it right out. I wish I had someone to film this for me, because it is hard to do on your own and get a good result on the video, especially when I'm grunting and groaning over here. But you hardly have to push it all. And I'm here to tell you, body lines and all, this brings it back as good as you're going to bring it back. Even takes out that, oh man. Now, the reason I'm doing this is because I don't want to buff it. If I buff this, the paint's so old, it would probably take too much of it off for my liking. It's the perfect in-between. Now don't let it dry up on here, or you'll be sorry. You can see the area right where I did. You can see where I didn't do, and where I didn't do. If I do a dab, I'm gonna finish out the door and the part behind it. And I ain't gonna lie, it's gonna give you a workout, but it's way easier than trying to wash that stuff off. And then trying to polish it. I missed a few spots, and I purposefully leave them where you can see around the door handle. Right there, right there. One right there. And don't come off, just rubbing it. This stuff's deep set in it. I'll let it dry out to where you can see how to look. But it's basically going to do this versus this. And That's quite a difference. I'm here to tell you, it's quite a difference. See you in a minute. Okay, back with you. And this is how it looks on the back here where we washed it. Get you up close in every way I can. And as you back up, and I go over here, you'll see how that looks. So we got this, and we got that. And as you get up on this, you'll see it looks pretty damn good. It's smooth. Look at the door. And the part I was showing you earlier, where you can see right around that door handle, or door lock, I didn't get. So I'll hit up this and this, right around there a little bit. Knock that in. Look, it's gonna make that look amazing. You take this right off. There's like a film. I don't know. And it's not a perfect rig, but that'll come so clean, so fast. I'm gonna just do it because I want it to look better and get the most I can out of it. I mean, look at how bad that front fender looks. And now this is the worst part on the truck. This guy literally painted this with a paintbrush. But I think I'm gonna be able to bring some color out of it. We'll see. Okay, in between all the stuff I've been doing, look at this. It's looking good. It's looking really good. You can see on the top I haven't done yet. But this is not gonna come that much better. I mean, let's face it, this is actually, it's gonna come a little better once I wash it again because it's got some stuff on it. But not a very good representation here because of the painted on stuff. But this is a great representation. Pretty much anything that wasn't done with a paintbrush is gonna look great. This whole, look at this. Just put that wipe down there. You got little yellow right in my hand. Okay, let me show you this. Ba-bam. Look at the difference. There's a difference right next to each other for you.